Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to connect a PS4 controller wirelessly or with cable to Steam. Start with, you guessed it, opening up Steam. When opened up, click on Steam next to the Steam icon in the top left corner. After that, choose Settings, and in the Settings menu, click on Controller. It should say No Controller Detected, or else you already are and don't need me anymore. But if it says No Controller Detected, be sure to check if PlayStation controller support is enabled. If so, plug your controller into your PC with a cable, or push the PS button if you connected it to your PC wirelessly. If you don't know how to connect your controller to your PC wirelessly, check my tutorial on that. Anyway, when plugged in or turned on, your controller should appear on the top like this. You are now connected and you can already play. You can also, however, test if all of your buttons work properly. Also, if your joysticks work. You can even calibrate your controller. I suggest doing this every once in a while for a better game performance. It does not take long, as you can see. Next, in the output settings, you can turn on or off Game Rumble. And last but not least, change your LED color, saturation, and brightness of your controller. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.